Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the block in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, Dr. Donna Hope of the University of the West Indies, UWI Mona Campus, is contending that the misgivings sounded by children's advocate, Miss Harrison, about Vybz Kartel being a contributor to juvenile delinquents is unfounded. Viewers and subscribers, I make that up. Not gonna go so. According to the lecturer, analysts in the Institute of the Caribbean Studies at the UWI have conducted a study, and Vybz Kartel is not just the favorite artist amongst juveniles who are of a particular mindset, but simply a favorite among young people in general. I mean, I agree with that statement 100%. Everybody and them friend are fans of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. They said we did our own research, and we did a research about a discussion of this type in 09 and 010 also, and Vybz Kartel at that time was the most favorite artist among young people, both children who were in problems and children who were not. Miss Dr. Hope pointed out, viewers and subscribers, she said, because we gave them a list of other people in society, such as teachers, pastors, parents, different groups of people, and it was still found that Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, was the most favorite individual among them all. Now, Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, has made posts, as they said, in reference to statements being made, just to point out that, attempts are being made to discredit or even point his character in a bad light. However, Dr. Hope says artists like Kartel in the UWI survey came up as role models and how to be popular and how to get a career, because a lot of young people are very attracted to the career in the music industry, because it looks not just as something that could make you rich, but also it has a tendency to have young people gravitate into the lifestyle because of how entertaining and exciting the lifestyle looks. Now, viewers and subscribers, that is showing you that Vybz Kartel has not only put out music where people can say, alright, yeah, we'll have vibe to get inspired from, but also as an individual, viewers and subscribers, he has inspired other young people for say, I could go into music as a career, something that we can use to start a family and then take care of them. That is the inspirational factor that Vybz Kartel has played in music, and not what some people try to say, as if only one demographic of people are listening to Vybz Kartel. Intellectuals are listening to the teacher. At this point in time, it is, I would say, a discussion or a topic agreed upon by almost all members of dancehall music at this point in time. The teacher is one of the most intelligent dancehall artists that we have ever heard. And you have a whole heap of other dancehall artists who have them doctorate and things of that nature. Some people know say even Sizzla Kalonji was a student at the UWI. Some people know the levels of certain artist things. Some people don't know the levels. They know say people are putting work separate and apart from music. But one thing in music, viewers and subscribers, we know Vybz Kartel is one of the most intelligent dancehall artists we have worldwide have ever lived. We know that for a fact. So I'm gonna see why they make it look like say certain particular people of society. I listen to the music. Why them not make it look that way? Everybody and them friend are fans of Vybz Kartel. So you can't say because them listen to Vybz Kartel music and that's why them choose to do that. People have their own mindset, regardless of what kind of songs them listen to, regardless of the type of music where you see on them playlist. If this is the mindset where them have, when them chip, it not have nothing to do with the music. And at the same time, Vybz Kartel have music We are talking about other subject matter. And that almost reminiscent of what Bounty Killer say. Bounty Killer say, yo, even though him name, the persona of dancehall music is Bounty, him same first song had nothing to do with the subject matter we're most known for. It's just that people did not gravitate to that type of music. Them more want to hear about the other type of song them. When Bounty say book, I want the most respectable song. But I know one of the most popular songs. And that's a fact. Oh, me know see him on stage and sing it regularly. You ever see him on stage and sing book regularly? No. Because people don't come on stage show to hear that song. Them respect him for the song, but them not come to hear that. And the same thing with Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. The teacher have countless tracks. They matter about different subject matter. They might inspire, elevate, educate. But the people them don't want to hear that. These are not the songs that people follow the dance to come listen to. And me can't tell you what for father dance come listen to. You follow out for hear what you want to hear. If you want to hear that song, you go purchase the song, you get the song downloaded, you add it to your playlist, and you listen it in a year time. You know what I mean? But when you follow the dance, you probably want to hear a certain type of song, will give you a certain energy, make you move and hold a certain vibe. And it is sad to say, I start to see rather that the people might use songs of that nature to paint a particular picture about Vybz Kartel as an individual. And them they even look on the facts say, yo, the teachers continue to inspire young people. Show them say from music, you can have a thriving career and it not have to stop at music. Remember the teacher's also an entrepreneur. Him start multiple business and help other people start businesses as well. And I show you say your music is very lucrative from any aspect. No matter which way you play to get involved. If you want to be a producer, the artist is also a producer. If you want to be a label owner, a music mogul, the artist is also a label owner. If you want to be a songwriter, the artist is also a songwriter. If you want to be a manager, the artist manage the careers of Popcorn, Lisa Hype, Sean Stamp, Black Rhino, you name them. He may have a call for book them for your show. He may have manage them career. So he is also an inspiration viewers and subscribers for the music industry. And it's sad to see how the music industry not lobby for the teacher enough. The music industry almost act like them agree with where some other people in a society are say. Some people who don't understand music and entertainment. And the stakeholders of music and entertainment now step up to defend music and entertainment. Not seeing that this picture could be painted about anybody involved in the sector. Anybody involved in the sector. Then put them start say too much why not music a paint and make the girl them why not. Then a paint a picture that them a paint. But at the same time we could also point say so carnival time and the whole road we go block off and make that something they go and say if you don't know now don't go easy. I'm gonna notice how Jamaican festivals are not celebrated at that caliber. We block the road for carnival. But there's no dancehall show where them allow you to block the road. We block the road for carnival. And carnival is not indigenous to Jamaica. Joke in them something. Joke in them something. I don't know, but joke in them something viewers and subscribers. But no, this is the music industry. The industry where the only thing them have are gatekeepers. Them not have no steady structure. All them have is people where I say, yo, don't let in him, don't let in she, don't let in him. No, but them not have no steady structure, them not have no direction them a try go. Oh, me know this, you now have more than 5 major dancehall or reggae music labels. You now have it. You have Tough Gang, that's 3 Mile lesser. You know what I mean? You have VP in New York. And you have a couple other indie record labels. Them not a big distribution deal with no major label across the world. And as someone knows a joke in our music something. Joking night. One of the biggest labels we have out here, a Chris Blackwell them thing. And a Bob them alone in the pan. Bob them alone. Joking on the something viewers and subscribers. Me I talk to you. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. The dancehall correspondent. The Gaza representative. And me I remind you now. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, it's a pass through. But you don't like the reason and of course you don't like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. And put it on all so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. The like icon there too. So if I like you drop a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers, the share icon there too as well. So you can tell a friend. But tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning The comment section is always open 24/7. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yes, be respectful and mindful. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. We can also continue reasoning via the comment section. You know what's up, go. So viewers and subscribers, my sentiments first and foremost are upmove settings, fam. And for a quick recap, it has been proven that statements made recently by children's advocate is unfounded and make them make it up and make up story. Nothing no gossip. Upmove settings, fam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for live, love and prosper. Until reason again.